Hello friends, you are on the TulipicalMakeup channel and I have this gorgeous curly hair brunette as my guest today, and I'm so excited to emphasize her beauty with the makeup I've chosen for her. It will be in the coffee colors with the addition of gold, and I will also duplicate the black eyeliner with the abortion color, which will emphasize the depth of my model's eyes. As always, all the products you can find in the description box down below, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, push your thumb up and the little bell button. I hug you and see you soon.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.